So I just received a really exciting packaging in the mail. I mean, it says WATERDROP and I'm so excited to open this up. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing a lot of ads about WATERDROP, and it's this company that claims to make you drink more water by making the water taste better. And I'm not gonna lie, I was quite intrigued about it. I clicked on the website and everything looked so nice, including a water bottle, that I had to order it and review it for you guys. Let's just dive into the unboxing, shall we? I'm actually really excited. Alright. What goes around comes around. Please reuse or recycle me. I generally really like what they sort of stand for. Oh my god. So this is what it's looking like. Alright, so we have all the drops cubes in here. This is like the sample pack. They look super nice and they say like drink more water, which I guess this is the goal. I'm actually quite excited for this one. This is the water bottle. I've only seen pictures of it and it looks super nice from the picture. Oh my god, that's the color that I picked up. I think it's gonna look adorable. I'm just gonna crack this open. Oh wow. Oh, it's actually a big bottle. I mean, it says it was 600 milliliters, but I didn't realize that would be quite big. Alright. Oh, okie dokie. That is nice. So this bit is actually fabric, and I feel like I did watch a couple of videos, but it wasn't fabric. So maybe they made a new one out of fabric. But either way, it feels so nice, and it's probably gonna keep your water bottle like either warm or cold as well. And let's just see the proper water bottle, shall we? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Do you know what? That looks so nice. Oh my god. I actually think it's adorable. I love the color that I chose. Like, generally, I know you guys all thought I would go for pink, but this is like my second favorite color, and I feel like it's quite springy and summerish as well. I was generally worried about the fact that it was like glass, but it doesn't really like feel like glass. It's quite like lightweight. It's not like that heavy, which I love. And this little pouch is probably gonna protect it, and it's hella adorable. So oh my god, I'm nice. And I love the fact that it has like this thing so you can just like hold on to it, because I love if a water bottle has anything to like rub onto it. And I was quite worried I was not gonna like it, because again, I was quite scared about it being glass, but I actually really love it. Oh my god. And like, so like I told you guys, I got a sample pack, which means I got quite a few different flavors. So we got Boost, we got Focus, Youth, Defense, Love, and then Glow. So you crack this open from here. Okay, so this one is Lime, Baobab, and Acerola. I have no idea what that is, but it's sugar free. It has vitamin C, thiamine, pantothenic acid. Is that you say it? I have no clue. Oh my god, they do look super duper cute though, so I'm really in love. I mean, if they taste nice, they're definitely gonna like change the game. So let me just check all of them up real quick, just so I know which one I want to try. I guess we'll try the green one just because it matches the water bottle. I think it's cool. So I'm gonna fill my water bottle up and be right back. So I decided to go with Focus. Hopefully it's gonna help me focus on editing this video. But yeah, let's just crack this open, shall we? Like, oh my god, how satisfying is that? Oh my god, look at that. That is so cute. Also, it's kind of going on for a while now. Oh my god, guys, it actually kind of smells super nice. Okay, so are you ready? Cheers. I mean, it's weird because, like, it definitely feels like there's something inside. Like, it's almost like, you know, when you leave some fruit or like lemon, anything like that, inside a glass of water for a long period of time, the water is gonna start to taste like the fruit that is inside. And I think this is pretty much what you end up with, sort of. I mean, it's nice, it's different. I'm just wondering if I will actually drink more water with these little drops inside. But I don't know. I think it might just be the fact that I'm not like a super fan of this one. I like it, but it's probably not like my fave. So, I mean, overall, I think I would recommend it. It's definitely gonna be hit or miss, which I think is probably why the starter pack is quite nice, because you can just, like, you know, test the different flavors and see which ones are your favorites. I mean, I would totally recommend this whole thing just for the water bottle, because I do think it's adorable. And yeah, well, I'm definitely gonna keep using the water bottle. If you guys want to know what I think about the other ones, follow me on my Instagram. I'll keep you posted on there. But overall, I would definitely recommend WATERDROP as a company. I do think the water bottles are really cute, and I think the idea of the drop is super cool. You just need to find the flavor that works for you. I know they also have like a challenge to like help you drink more water, so I might actually pop up on that challenge and see how that goes. But yeah, would definitely recommend. Also, if you guys are interested, I do have a little discount to give you, so I'll leave that on the screen as well as in the box down below. And yeah, I guess that is the video for today. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my new water bottle, because I think it looks super cool. I'm definitely gonna like take an Instagram picture with it because I think it's dope. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So, quick update before I actually upload this video. I'm really obsessed with them. I got the elderflower and grape one now, like the violet one, and it's delicious. You can bet I'm gonna drink it all, so